Okay, good morning. We have a time of 8:09 a.m. and the date is November 22nd, 2021. We are in the third floor, Commissioner's Courtroom, Nueces County Courthouse, 901 Leopard. And I do see that we have Commissioner Hernandez, Matis, and myself present here in court, and virtually we have Commissioner Chesney. And then on the telephone, we have Commissioner Gonzalez. And so at this time, I would ask that, well, just for the record, I do certify then a quorum is present with the three of us here under the new rules. And I'd like to see if there's any public comment at this time.
There's no public comment.
Okay, having no public comment in the courtroom or none visible online. Okay, we will move to executive session, and I do give notice at this time that we are going to go into executive session for the purposes of discussing matters listed on the agenda and as authorized provisions of the Open Meetings Act, Chapter 551 of the Texas Government Code. Also, we do so to consult with our attorney, and the sections of the Open Meetings Act that authorize the executive session are publicly announced by the presiding officer, that is myself, and that is subject to the authority of Government Code, Vernon's Texas Code, Sections 551, 071, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 86, and 87. And the Commissioners Court is going to do this to consult, again, as I said, with our lawyers, including matters relating to litigation, real property, gifts, personnel, termination, county advisory bodies, security devices, economic development. All those are permissible negotiations and other matters that may be discussed in executive session. Upon completion of executive session, we will come back out into open session and take any appropriate action as deemed necessary. I believe today is consult with County Attorney and Law Office of Steve Aragon, and at this time, it is 8:11 a.m., and I would ask that that we go into executive session this time and go officially off the, what we call the public record, and ask Connie to make all those changes to get us. Sorry. It's 10:35 a.m. We're back from executive session. It was a consult-only opportunity with our attorneys, and so at this time, I'm announcing that there is no action that we will be taking outside of executive session. However, I would like to ask for adjournments in memory, and I have one, although I just want to make the announcement, and then we will properly have all of the, I would say that the proper adjournment in memory when we have the next court, which is November the 30th, and that's for Judge Robert Blackman. Are there any adjournments from any of the commissioners at this time?
I don't have any, Judge.
Okay, Commissioner Gonzalez?
No.
Commissioner Chesney online? Okay. Well, hearing none, I just want to express.
No, thank you.
Thank you. Just express on behalf of Nueces County Commissioners Court and our Nueces County extended family, and most especially the Bar Association, of which I'm a member, and the judiciary, our extreme sadness and our deepest condolences to the Blackman family. We miss already Judge Robert Blackman, and we will appropriately honor him in recognition with our request to the governor's office to fly the flags at half-staff on the day of his burial. In addition, on November 30th, I hope to have a proper adjournment that would honor such a fine, fine Navy man and such a fine mariner, such a fine jurist, such a fine and quality human being. Thank you, and this concludes our court. We stand adjourned at 10:37 a.m. Thank you.